Hi, I'm Antonia and I'm a paramedic with St John. I'm here today to show you our newest product, our St John Pocket AED. So this is the box it comes in. It's very nice and sleek and quite compact. Let's open it, shall we? So inside the box you've got your reading material, the product itself and the battery as well. So this is St John's new Pocket AED. It's small, it's compact, it's very lightweight as well. It's also got 3 color-coded buttons, your on button, the shock button, and the child setting. On the back of the machine, you also have visual instructions to tell you what to do. There's a pull tab here. If you open it, that's where you'll find your pads. So inside this packet, you'll have 2 smart pads, which can be used for adults and children, and also very clear diagrams on where to place those pads. Inside this flap, you also have those same instructions as well. Let's put the battery in.
Self-test in progress.
The Pocket AED will run a weekly self-test to make sure it's rescue ready at all times.
Self-test successful.
That's ready to go now. Inside your reading materials, you have your user manual, a quick start guide, and a quick reference guide with those same instructions that you find on the machine. With every purchase of the St John Pocket AED, you also get a handy carry bag. Put it inside like that. Now this can go in your toolbox, in your backpack, in your glove box, and even your pocket. It's very small and compact. As a St John paramedic, it's important that AEDs are accessible and easy to use, and that's exactly what the St John Pocket AED is. The St John Pocket AED is now available on our websites.